Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries. It is Friday morning, August the 18th. Thanks for joining us. Hope your day is off to a great start and you're looking forward to a really nice weather weekend, I think, in most of these areas. All right, grains overnight mostly higher. U.S. dollar is a little softer. That's supporting some of the outside markets and the grain futures. Of course, the wheat futures a little higher on this bounce. Some of the trade was looking for a big soybean export sale announcement and are going to be disappointed this morning with China agreeing to buy more soybeans. It was expected that would be announced this morning. It did not happen. And that could be a little disappointing to the trade, but I don't look for any big sell-offs in the grain market today unless the dollar starts to take off and rally. That could put pressure against the wheat, which has found a lot of pressure this week, falling to contract lows. But I think the fact that CME Group has lowered margins for some commodities, soybeans and oats and wheat futures all among them, that should help give us a little bit of buying interest, a little bit of support. Pro Farmer Tour begins next week. And I think they're going to uncover disappointing yields compared to what the USDA is looking at. Continuing to talk with farmers and agronomists around the country, all over the Midwest, and saying that this heat in July without any substantial moisture to help the crop get through it has really hurt yields. Even if we get decent weather here, in August, some better rainfall, it's going to help the corn fill out, but it's not going to repair any of the damage that was caused in July. Now, soybeans a different story, as that is a crop that really thrives on August weather, and it's been very ideal, kind of cool, a lot of moisture, and I think you're going to see a good soybean yield unless we get an early frost like some of the forecasters are predicting that would curtail yield potential. Cash cattle trade yesterday sharply lower, and we did a lot of damage this week on the fundamentals and the technicals to this cattle market. Cattle weight's up 5 pounds. That's maybe even the bigger story. Is weight's up 5 pounds and are only 3 pounds below last year's levels at this time, and we're above the 5-year average. So you've got more numbers coming at the market, about 500,000 more heads that's going to come to market this fall and into the fourth quarter. And now you've got weights increasing, so that adds tonnage to those numbers, and we don't have the space to handle it. So that's going to be, I think, a disappointment to the cash markets here over the next several weeks. So we may not see a big sell-off in the cattle today. Could see two-sided trade, maybe even a recovery. Remember last Friday we had pressure into Friday, and then a recovery on Friday into Monday. And I wouldn't be surprised to see that type of action once again. All right, hope you have a great day. Good luck and good trading. Let us know how we can help you out through our marketing brokerage services. Brian Hoops, Midwest Market Solutions. Talk to you again soon.